So it says manipulate arrays with pop. Another way to change the data in an array is to use the pop function. The pop function is used to pop a value off the end of an array. We can store this popped off value by assigning it to a value. In other words, .pop removes the last element from an array and returns the element. Any type of entry can be popped off an array, so it can be numbers, strings, even nested arrays. Okay, then it gives you an example. Returns. Right, so it tells you what is at this tells you what the tree R is getting, which is the 6, and then it would take it off of this array. So when you resubmit that, you only get 1 and 4. Okay, because it's popped it off. So it says use the .pop function to remove the last item from my array, assigning the popped off value to removed from my array. So it says use the .pop function. So you want to assign it. So you do is equal to my array dot pop. Yeah, because you just want to remove. Yes, this is what's going to be removed from your array. So let's test this. Simple.